Hey you guys, you're watching my real life vlogs and I'm on my way out. My mom is here. We're about to buy some flowers and whatnot. Okay guys, so yeah, riding with my mom. She's taking me to the flower store. We're gonna finally start figuring something out with this landscaping. There's my mom. My mom has a really green thumb, you guys. Like she's like a florist slash gardener. She knows everything about flowers and lawns and just all things like homeowner curb appeal. What we're doing right now is a slow roll through the neighborhood because she wants to look at what everybody else's flowers are doing, which is smart to know and see what other people are doing so your stuff is not sticking out like a sore thumb. Even though we're gonna do what we want in the end, but just to kind of see what's trending.
Oh, they need to fix that.
This is cute what they got going right here. I mean, it's kind of old-fashioned looking, but it's cute.
Look at the dog just loose.
So that's a lab.
He's good.
They do that around here though. People don't even be having their dogs like contained.
See the two pots.
Right, and those are the ones I want that they have. That is so country. Look at the dog in the window. Oh, everybody around here has dogs. Look at this country house. Look at the curtains. That's so country. I love this house. Looks like a cottage.
We're gonna find albino corbells for you.
Wow, albino.
And the other.
I wish I could show you guys these houses, but I can't because it's like, you know, can't be showing people's addresses and stuff. All right guys, we're here at Home Depot. We actually buying something today. So we getting flowers. Mom has been schooling me on what I need to do because I'm gonna show you guys my idea, but I really want to get a pot for my front. I really don't have a porch, but I guess like stump. And so mom is gonna show me what flowers I need to put in that thing. And then if there's like a pot that's like already arranged, like for example, this thing here, how it has like all the different flowers already in it versus building it ourselves, we can do that too. Like I don't need to have the thrill of putting the pot together. I just need to see it on my porch. So if it's already together, I don't give a crap.
I want the thrill of putting it together.
You want the thrill to put, okay. So heading into the nursery. Y'all, this is my whole childhood right here, going with my mom to buy flowers. I'm still doing it, Yeah, I really like these, but this is for the shade.
Yeah, because it looked like the sun would kill these here. I mean,
yeah, you got to think about that. Like the front of our house gets a lot of sun, so we have to have plants that can take the sun, or else they'll get burnt. Yeah, I like the velvet texture of the flowers sometimes. It's really nice. I'm letting you pick out everything for the pot so you can make it look nice. But let's get the pot first. Okay. Because I don't know.
No, I'm gonna need one of these.
Okay. So basically, mom was saying like if you look at these kind of pots that are already pre-arranged, you can get your ideas and inspiration from this and put your own together, and you'll spend much less. Because see, they're charging a premium because it's already put together. But mom is like, look at this thing, see what you like about it, and then you can just buy all the flowers a la carte and build your own pot. You know, it's pretty much the same amount of work. I mean, it's just that they're taking advantage of the fact that you don't know how to put a pot together. People are like, oh, like me, I'm just like, I don't know what to even start. Like, I don't know what to mix with what. Like, I don't know. So I'll be the one paying the 80 bucks, you know. But mom knows how to put hers together, so she's like, I ain't never. Okay, so these are the pot options. Yeah, so I want something like this. Y'all know I like this kind of like artisan look, this kind of, you know, almost Grecian. This works for me. So I like this one, mom. Like this one is 40 bucks. See, these are the much bigger ones. I don't need those. So something like this, you know? And honestly, this is small enough that I could get two. I think I could get two on the porch. Like, cause my stump is about this wide, I'm thinking. And so if I had the two of these, people can walk through there. See? Okay, mom said I need soil and everything. We're looking for this very particular plant that she just absolutely has her heart set on. We just had the woman call the garden inventory people and ask them if they had this freaking thing. What is it called? Cana? A caner freaking plant. I don't even know what it is, what it looks like, but she has to have it. I was telling my mom, like, I feel like a child in this environment, like, not just because it reminds me of my childhood, but I don't know anything about flowers and plants, like as far as like aesthetic, you know, planting and this and that. I don't know anything about it, you guys. Landscaping, nothing. I don't know anything. I don't know the first thing. I never paid attention, didn't learn anything, but without her help, I would not be able to do this. Everything looks pretty much the same to me.
Cause I can see it. Yeah, I know.
Oh, I just feel helpless. Like, man, if my life depended on it, and someone was like, find the blah 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 plant, I would be like, what? Put together a pot that looks like blah blah blah, I'd be like, what? Please. I would have perennials with annuals, with light sun, low sun, shade, high shade. I mean, I would just,
you would do your research just like I did.
If I had to do it at the drop of a hat though, like if I was gonna get $1 million, I would lose that out on that money.
Probably so, yeah. It's gonna look cute.
So we decided on this thing here. It's a pre-made pot, but it's not too bad. I mean, it's only 35 bucks. The colors and everything are perfect. You know, it's kind of what we would have built anyway, so we might as well just get the one that's already done. You know what I'm saying? These are nice too, but if these had red in them, I would probably be like, give me this one, because I really love this. I love this thing for some reason. But the pink, my mom said the red will pop better on our light colored brick house.
You could get this.
I can get that one?
You can buy that and put it with that.
And put it with it? Nah, I don't need to put it with it. Oh, you're talking about just this plant. Oh, I thought you were talking about like the whole thing. I'm like, huh? But yeah, okay, yeah, let me get this. Let me find this thing somewhere. The whatever it's called. That'd be cute, because I like the way that looks. Are you about to throw up? You having some acid reflux?
Right.
Because you looking real hurt.
Oh.
Looking like you were about to throw up.
I was.
Oh gosh.
Don't do me.
So this is everything we got, you guys. Heading home. I'm so excited. She's gonna put these pots together for us, and some of them are going in the ground in the landscaping in front of the house. So this is gonna be super cute, you guys. I'm so excited. So by the end of the year, by the end of the blooming year for these plants, these things will be taller, you're saying? Okay. I'm excited about it. All right, ladies and gents, we're back home. You feel me? I got the hammer and screwdriver right quick, because I need to bust some holes in the bottom of these planter pots, because they need to be able to drain and everything. I'm gonna try to leverage this hammer.
I know, because it's all like, in there.
Let's see if I can do it. Drain hole here for drainage. Okay. So they have a little sign in there. You know what? I can't even come down on it.
I know. That's
Let's see. Who run the world, girls?
I wish I would have known it was that simple. Cause I didn't want to mess with those.
It's like anvil and hammer. You know, it's like you leverage the weight of the hammer, and you can make this thing do whatever you want. There we go. Yeah. It was the angle, you know. So that's it, and there's your hole. So I'm gonna put the tools back. Need scissors?
Yes.
Okay. Scissors. Oh yeah. Take off the plastic and then start potting. I don't want you to hurt your back, Mom.
No.
Let me hold this for you.
I got it.
Okay. So this is topsoil, you guys. You need to use this for planting.
Yeah.
Girl, I would have, listen, I would have put this whole thing in here and been like, why isn't it growing? I don't know nothing, y'all. I didn't pay attention when she was teaching me. When I was little, I see Mom out there all the time doing stuff in the yard.
All you wanted to do was plant it.
Right, we didn't really learn about it. We didn't know really why we were doing. We were just going through the motions of planting. We didn't learn anything. But I need to learn it now.
Frogs.
Right. Oh yeah, I used to.
And grasshoppers.
I didn't kill the animals, but I would find dead animals and I would dissect them. Birds, frogs, and I never like advanced to like the mammal category. I didn't do like rabbits and that sort of thing, but I used to get them, dissect them, and I'll just bury them later. Remember I buried that one bird, Mom? Okay, you guys, so next step. She's putting on her gloves. Oh, watch out now.
Yeah, see, I see how they did this, okay? That's what I say. You know, you could do this. All this here is they put it...
It's them arranging it and choosing the flowers for you. That's what you're paying for. Because it's the same amount of work as doing it individually.
Yeah, to buy this here plant individually.
Yeah.
Like they had, you know.
But it's just cool. That they've done the work for you. Some people are intimidated by selections like me. It's like, okay, too much to choose from. I don't know which one. So this helps you because they have it already arranged. This is going to look so pretty, you guys. Bring some life to these bricks. You know, that's the thing when you do landscaping. It makes your house look alive. It gives it a pulse. I was telling my mom for the back, when we do the landscaping in the back, I want it to kind of look like Arizona-ish. Like I kind of want a lot of mulch. I want all green. I really don't want any flowers except for my little garden. I want tall grass like plants, so like something like this, except just like very tall. I really love that the leaves on this one match the leaves on our little tree that we planted last year. I really love that. I love that so much. It looks really good so far, Mom.
I'm showing you how to do this first pot, but then we're going to do that one.
No, I don't want to. Oh my goodness, so cute.
So cute.
So cute.
And then your favorite. You picked
I forgot about these. Yes. I forgot about these ones. They're so juicy. They're like little succulents.
The succulents, they are. This is exactly what it is.
Oh, okay.
All of these plants here are drought resistant.
Okay.
Yeah, they can take you know, some dryness, and they won't start to wither.
Oh, Mom, I love it so much. It looks so good.
And it's not done yet. Wait till it starts to bloom.
Oh
I
my
have to fill it in now with
gosh.
the dirt because I put the pieces where I want them.
Yeah.
And this is going to cascade. This is going to cascade. That's going to cascade.
So it's important to have your research and know what a plant is going to end up looking like, and that way you can kind of inform your selections and your arrangement better when you know what the ultimate goal of each plant is going to be. So this one's going to be tall. These are going to all cascade, and those are going to stand up behind this sort of thing.
This is going to also be a
color.
little tall.
Right. Those are going
This is going to be taller than this. That's why they put it together that way. And but yeah, this is going to be a nice little thing here.
Very pretty. I'm so excited. All right, you guys. So right now she's putting the topsoil in with the spade. What she was doing at first was pretty much positioning all of the plants, and now she's filling it up with the soil. That's what's going to, you know, keep them alive. You know what I mean? Definitely keep watching to see the finished results of the landscaping. But before we do, I wanted to share a quick message from my friends at Home Chef. So this portion of the vlog is sponsored by Home Chef. I wanted to share the best deal that Home Chef has offered to date, and that is $80 off your first 4 orders. That's $20 off per order, you guys. That is such a great deal for the value. I am a huge supporter of Home Chef. It keeps me from having to go to the grocery store. All of the meals come directly to my doorstep, complete with all the fresh ingredients I need to create a homemade chef-inspired meal that is delicious, and my whole family is going to love it, especially my husband and my daughter. What I love most about this program is the convenience and the variety. So I'm able to log onto my computer, go into my Home Chef app, and select all of my meals that I want each week. There's always so much to choose from, and I'm able to pick the amount of servings that I want, and there's something for just about every diet. I love how thorough and interactive the site is, so I can learn all about the meals before I select them. I can even preview the recipe card. Another thing that I love about Home Chef is that I am in complete control over my deliveries, so I do not have to get them every week if I don't want. I can skip the weeks that I don't want to receive anything from Home Chef. And the awesome part about that is that the discount will still apply. So even if you skip meals for 1 week, your discount will still apply to the next delivery that you get. So hurry and click the link in my description box because this offer is not going to last long. And use my code Vaughn80 to get $80 off your first 4 orders. Morning. Ann had a little accident this morning in the bed. The whole potty training thing, so she took her diaper off and then she accidentally peed in the bed. I always have these. I swear by these. These are so good to have around the house just for like little disinfectant projects. I keep one up here in this closet and then I keep one downstairs in the laundry room. Always handy. Yeah, Ann fell asleep in the guest room last night, so I was like, I'll just let her stay in here. I mean, this mattress is really soft and she loves it in here, so I let her stay in here, but then she had her little accident. Okay, I have me a little bucket here, my little watering can. So I'm about to fill this thing up, and I'm gonna show you guys my new flowers out front. I didn't really get to show y'all last night. They like, look, we don't want to see you cleaning up no pee. We want to see the flowers and stuff. Shut up then. Ignore this. Hopefully we'll get that up today. Come on, Ann. Okay, I'm gonna water the plants and take a look at the daylight version of what we've done. Guys, I love the way this turned out. Hey, come on out. Come on. It's so cute, Mom.
Look, trying to be careful. Be careful. And don't jump. Come on.
She got it. Yay, mommy's big girl. Look, oh, okay. She's like, I got this.
I'm glad she was careful because it's kind of like a little tilt, so she was.
Yeah. My mom basically replaced the old mums that we planted last year because they actually did not come back this year. So that's fine. So it's so cute. We got to get the rest of these weeds up too. I mean, it's not like it's very many of them, but
Yeah, I see. I'm looking all in here.
yeah, there's like a few, like that one and these guys over here. So we'll pull those up. But yeah, really pretty. And it's having a gay old time, honey. You want to do it, Ann? Oh, Ann. Bad girl. Oh, Ann.
Uh-oh.
All right. So here is the finished product, at least for now. What Mom did was got real creative, honey. She went back to Home Depot and got petunias to trim the bricks all the way around, all the way up there. Looks really, really good. They haven't bloomed yet. I'm gonna tell y'all, like, she had to tell Anthony this is not how it's going to look. Those of you who know about flowers and stuff, you already know this, but you have to plant them 6 inches apart like this, and they need to bloom and they need to grow, and they're going to be, you know, way bigger. They're going to mound up. Some of them are going to drape over the brick. So this is just the first step. Everything has to bloom. Nothing's really bloomed fully yet. These are summer plants, so they haven't truly bloomed yet as we're still in the spring. But these are the hydrangeas that we planted last year. These 3 here, they haven't bloomed any flowers yet, but those are going to bloom white. The tree here is like a maroon, and yeah, hydrangeas. And the flowers just kind of trim alongside the bushes here, and then of course we got the pots, and it goes all the way around and stops there, which is good enough. And then this is the planter that my mom put together, which is basically the same contents as the planters on the stoop, but we just remixed a couple of the flowers or the plants that hang over. So this is different, and this one's different. And it really just gives the landscaping like a whole facelift. Like, it looks so much nicer now. And then there was an extra plant in there. I think it was like a mistake because this one actually is pink and the others are red. So my mom asked her just to plant it here, so we have some kind of cutesiness on the side of the garage, since my neighbor here has such a pretty landscape going all the way back. So I should just put some there. Thanks again, Mom, for doing the flowers for us. Thank you so much. They look really lovely. I really love it.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, but she wanted to do this. She was like all about it. What flowers do you want? Let's get it started. Next thing we'll be doing is the back.